How to add the life events and then key milestones of a deceased loved one. So on this page, currently we are at the life timeline section, and then here it's quite similar to the stories section, but then here you are going to put it's like you are going to segregate the stories and then put them in a chronological manner. So the first thing you need to do is to add a photo of the event you're about to write on. So if it's about early life and education, you upload a photo of the deceased while they were in school or during their young days. So I'm going to upload random photos. I do not have such photos, but I'm going to upload random photos. Then the next thing is to add the year. So 1985. I'm going to use let me use any month. Yeah. So it's going to be, let's say, October. So with the month, it's in a numerical format. You just state the numeral and then the day. So let me write something small. April. Okay, so this is something short, and after you are done, you click on the save button. So once you click on the save button, you go on to add another live event. So let's say this time around we are going to add career. So you state the year in which maybe he had his first job. So let me say 1999 September 11th. And then here also you choose to add a photo. So with the photo option, it is not mandatory, it is optional. You can choose to add photo or not. So here you add something small, a description, a brief description. So after you are done, you click the save button. Yes, so after the save button, you move on to the next live event. So let's say next live event would be marriage and family life. So let's say 2009. Yeah. Yes, so after you click on the save button. Yes, so with a life timeline, you can go on and on and on, and then add series of life events that has happened in the deceased loved one's life. So after you are done with everything, this is a sample memorial. This is how it is going to look like. Yes, this is how it is going to look like. So as you can see, the dates are in a chronological manner. So this man, for instance, was born in 1952. And then the next set of events happened in 1959 when he started his early education. Then the next is in 1980, then 1982, 2024. Yes, so the timeline or the life timeline compiles series of events that has happened in a chronological manner. So as you can see, 1985, 1999, 2009 until, if I should add another event talking about his death, that's 2025. It's going to add, so it's more like it compiles everything in a chronological manner. So that is it for the life timeline. That is it for the life timeline. So see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.